Looking for the best thermal imaging camera? Whether you're checking electrical faults, heat leaks, or automotive issues, the right tool makes all the difference. Today, we're counting down the top 5 thermal cameras for every budget. From affordable entry-level models to high-end professional gear, we've got you covered. Watch until the end, because our number 1 pick is a total game changer. Let's dive in. Number 1. TOPDON TC004 Mini Handheld Thermal Imaging Camera. The TOPDON TC004 Mini Handheld Thermal Imaging Camera is a compact and affordable option for general home inspections, electrical checks, and automotive diagnostics. It offers a 240 by 240 TSR resolution, which provides clear and smooth thermal images for various tasks. With a temperature range from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 842 degrees Fahrenheit, you can easily detect temperature anomalies like leaks, electrical hotspots, or insulation issues. The 15-hour battery life is great for long inspections, and the auto shutdown feature helps save power during breaks. This camera also includes high/low temperature alerts, which automatically notify you when certain temperature thresholds are reached. The 128 by 128 IR resolution and 25 Hz refresh rate enhance the camera's responsiveness, making it a reliable tool for day-to-day inspection work. Despite being a budget-friendly option, this camera provides solid performance for general diagnostics and troubleshooting. Number 2. FOXWELL RT280 Thermal Imaging Camera. The FOXWELL RT280 Thermal Imaging Camera is a 320 by 240 resolution camera designed for home inspections, mechanical fault diagnosis, and automotive engine checks. Featuring a 2.8-inch LCD screen, the device displays clear thermal visuals, making it easy to identify problems. With a 25 Hz refresh rate, the camera offers smooth and detailed real-time images. This model is equipped with 8 GB of internal storage, which allows you to store up to 20,000 images for future analysis. It also includes a laser targeting feature to pinpoint areas of concern, and its temperature range spans from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 1,022 degrees Fahrenheit, offering versatility for various applications. The camera's smart PC analysis capabilities allow you to transfer and analyze images on a larger screen, making it an excellent choice for those who require thorough analysis. This camera is ideal for professionals in need of a reliable, high-quality tool at a competitive price. Number 3. Thermal Master Handheld Thermal Camera. The Thermal Master Handheld Thermal Camera is a high-end model with a 512 by 384x Superscript 3 IR resolution, delivering crystal-clear thermal images. With a 60 Hz refresh rate, this camera is perfect for fast-moving inspections where quick temperature readings are required. The 2MP visual camera and 3.5-inch IPS screen offer superior image clarity, while the -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 1022 degrees Fahrenheit temperature range ensures it can handle most inspection needs. It's equipped with a laser pointer for precise targeting and features 40 mK sensitivity, enabling it to detect even the smallest temperature differences. The camera also supports wireless image transmission to PCs and smartphones, which is useful for real-time data analysis and sharing. With 8 GB storage, you can store images and videos without worrying about running out of space. This model is ideal for professionals who need a reliable, high-performance camera for detailed inspections in various industries. Number 4. TOPDON TC001 Thermal Camera for Android. The TOPDON TC001 Thermal Camera is a handheld thermal imager that connects directly to Android devices, offering a 512 by 384 resolution for precise temperature readings. It is designed for smartphone integration, allowing users to use their Android device as the screen for this thermal camera. The temperature range of -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 1,022 degrees Fahrenheit and plus or -3.6 degrees Fahrenheit accuracy ensures reliable results, whether you're inspecting electrical systems, HVAC units, or vehicles. The 9 color palettes provide flexibility to adjust the display to your preferred style for visualizing temperature differences. This device also supports continuous temperature measurements, making it easy to identify hotspots and anomalies over time. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry and use in various environments, from industrial sites to home inspections. The camera's compact size and long battery life make it perfect for on-the-go inspections, and it's a fantastic option for Android users who need a budget-friendly, easy-to-use thermal imager. Number 5. MILESEEY TR10 Thermal Imaging Camera. The MILESEEY TR10 Thermal Imaging Camera is a handheld device designed for those who need a reliable and affordable thermal camera for home repairs, inspections, and diagnostics. With a 192 by 192 resolution and a 25 Hz refresh rate, this camera provides clear thermal images in real time. It has a temperature range from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 1022 degrees Fahrenheit, covering a wide variety of applications. The camera features high thermal sensitivity of NETD 50 mK, ensuring accurate readings. The high/low temperature alarm feature alerts users to temperature anomalies, which is great for preventing potential issues in electrical or mechanical systems. With an 8-hour battery life, the MILESEEY TR10 ensures that you can complete your inspections without needing frequent recharges. The camera is durable enough for tough work environments and is equipped with 8 GB of storage to save more than 30,000 photos. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, this thermal camera offers solid performance at an affordable price. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So you can confidently choose the best product.